Hey guys, it's Giridhar here for Phonalicious, and today in this video, let's review the Moto G6. Motorola is back with a bang. The Moto G series is back with a completely refreshed design language. When I held this device for the first time, I was not so sure if it is really a Motorola device. It looks really gorgeous and very premium. It has got a premium glass body design, thin, elegant and stylish mobile. Inside the box, apart from the mobile, you would get a 15-watt turbocharger, USB Type-C cable, user manual, SIM ejector pin and a basic set of earphones. Holding the mobile in the hand, at the bottom you would find a 3.5mm audio jack and a USB Type-C port. At the top you would find the SIM card tray with a dual SIM card slot and a dedicated SD card slot. There is also a noise cancelling mic on the top. The earpiece on the front doubles as a secondary speaker. The fingerprint sensor is also placed on the front, no notch on this mobile phone, and there is also a mic to take your calls. There is also a third mic to record audio while shooting video, and that is at the back. On the left side of the mobile phone it is plain, and on the right you would find the power and the volume buttons. The Moto G6 is an ergonomic mobile. It is easy to hold in the hand, Corning Gorilla Glass on the front and the back, looks a bit fragile but elegant. Though it is Corning Gorilla Glass, I would still suggest you to use with a good case. The mobile phone is also water splash resistant. The display has no notch and it has got a Full HD Plus 5.7-inch display which is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3. The display quality is bright and the color reproduction is vivid. The proximity sensor is reactive and very fast. The display has got good sunlight visibility and good viewing angles. Though Motorola mobiles don't come with always on display, the Moto display feature shows the notification while you approach a mobile phone with your hands. Moto G series always boast for a good camera in the price range. In the Moto G6, at the rear we have 12 megapixel camera and a secondary 5 megapixel depth sensing sensor. The 12 megapixel primary sensor has got a larger pixel size and a larger aperture size compared to previous generation of Moto G mobile. On the front, you get a 16 megapixel front facing camera. This is exclusive to India and certain other markets, but yes, you get a 16 megapixel front facing camera. The camera UI is feature rich for a Motorola mobile phone. Apart from the Pro mode, you also get a portrait mode, a spot color mode, panorama mode, text scanner mode, face filters and a bunch of other regular features. In the video mode, you get slow motion and time-lapse as well. The camera UI supports live photo and auto HDR. With respect to video, Moto G6 supports 1080p videos at the max, but it has got a good electronic image stabilization. Quality of pictures speaks for themselves. Check out a few samples which I clicked with this mobile phone. Under ample light conditions, the images are sharp and the color reproduction is also fairly accurate. Focusing was a little jumpy, but for a mobile in this price range, I would say that it's got a good dynamic range. Even under low light conditions, the color reproduction was fairly accurate. Noise reduction and edge smoothing algorithm was effective and not very aggressive. Overall, the Moto G6 gives you a pleasant camera experience. The Moto G6 is powered by a Snapdragon 450 processor. It comes with 3GB and 4GB RAM variants with 32GB or 64GB internal storage respectively. The one I have for review is a 4GB 64GB combination. The stock UI with no skin gives you a fast performance. Gaming is also smooth with no frame drop. The mobile phone does not overheat. Moto G6 supports Dolby Audio and it also got active noise cancellation when you use any 3.5mm earphones. Dock earphones included in the box is good but not great. Fingerprint sensor is fast and accurate, and Moto G6 also supports face unlock. Moto G6 runs on Android 8.0 and just like any other Motorola mobile phone, we get a stock UI with a few applications loaded by Motorola. The UI is very fast, no lag and has a smooth performance. The Moto app is the nerve center of the software in any Motorola mobile phone. In Moto G6, we get a Moto key which can be used to access applications and devices with your fingerprint. The Moto Actions has a bunch of gestures, and Moto Display, as mentioned earlier, controls a lot of aspects of the Moto G6 display. Moto Voice helps you to give a command and the phone responds to it. It is great for hands-free usage. The battery on the Moto G6 is a 3000 mAh battery. 3000 mAh of battery may sound small in papers, but the software optimization that has gone in gives this mobile phone over 1.5 days of battery life on moderate usage. Even on intensive usage, I get a screen on time of 6 to 7 hours. With the included 15-watt turbocharger, the mobile phone can charge from 0 to 100% in less than 2 hours. Now let's sum it up. The positives of this mobile phone is it's got a premium design quality, it has got splash resistant and a functionally rich camera application. It also gives you a good audio experience. If I had to hunt for some negative points about this Moto G6 lacks the magnetic compass sensor, no IP68 or 67 rating, and the portrait mode in this mobile phone looks a tad bit artificial. For around 15,000 rupees, you get options like Redmi Note 5 Pro, Asus Zenfone Max Pro, a recently launched Huawei P20 Lite, and also the 2018 edition of Nokia 6. But this is a Motorola mobile phone, and especially the Moto G6 has got a premium build quality, aesthetic looks, good camera, stock UI, optimized battery life, and putting all this together, I would say that this mobile is worth every penny spent. Moto G6 is gonna be available both online and offline. In offline, you can buy this mobile phone at any Moto hubs near you, and in online, you can buy this mobile phone on Amazon. The price of this mobile phone and the link to buy it are all in the description below. I hope you like this video. To watch more of such videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Until I catch up with you on the next video, this is Giridhar signing off. Goodbye.